Welcome to the home of your dreams. This home at 290 Seymour is straight out of a fairy tale book. Located in amazing Amherstburg, walking distance to the famous open air weekend, also walking distance to downtown and all of the amazing eateries that Amherstburg has to offer, close to North Store High School, Canadian Tire, Walmart. You don't even need a car when you purchase this home. This turnkey bungalow ranch style home has been completely renovated from top to bottom. It has everything that you've been looking for, including an absolutely amazing kitchen. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home has high-end fixtures, light throughout the whole home, and has an amazing backyard relaxation area to come home to at the end of the day. For more information, call me Ruth Ann Osborne, 226-782-4493 for your own personal viewing.